Now it's available at McCarthy Cars, Volvo S60 diesel 65 late 2015 metallic grey. Car has front daylight. Car has 16-inch alloy wheels, rear parking sensors, split folding rear seats, black velour interior. It's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX, 4 electric windows. It's got electric mirrors, front auto headlights. Car has satellite navigation. It's got DAB radio, media, telephone, Bluetooth connection, push button to start, auto start stop function, air conditioning, automatic transmission, 2 central cup holders. Car has multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter. Thank you for watching.